What is going on YouTube? This is Jason Tang TV, bringing you guys another video. Today's video we have some Nike pickups. I know a lot of you guys are looking forward to the live cop video that I mentioned in my last video. It was going to be the live cop of the BOGO. I had a few other drops in that same video, so let's just say things didn't turn out how I thought they would turn out. But you guys will see in the video. Who knows? Do you guys think I copped? Do you guys think I didn't? You guys will see. But today's video is just going to be a quick pickup video. I swear Nike is trying to take our stimulus check. Literally during the time when people were receiving their checks, they were just restocking shoes here and there. Boom, boom, boom. It's like, Nike, where did you guys get all these shoes? Did you guys just pull them out of your... We did manage to hit on a pair from a restock. And then the other two shoes are from the Nike factory outlet that they put online. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this. So first shoe, I did already open them. I got too anxious to see how these are. And I honestly picked them up having kind of the mindset that I was going to return them. After seeing them, these are fire. Like, I honestly think if you're a big Jordan 3 fan, these shoes are fire. Like, the colorway, the materials. I'm honestly pretty shocked how good quality this Jordan 3 is. It's better than a lot of other 3s that they've been coming out with. So that's one thing where I'm like, I'm sold. But just look at this shoe. Like, it looks super, super clean. Super clean. They did kind of mess up on my pair though. If you guys could see that, there's some red like paint on it. So I don't even know where that's from because there's no red on this shoe unless that's freaking blood. I don't know. Oh, I didn't even notice on the back of the Tangs. It says Soul right there. And then let's check out the other side. Now this side it says Heart. So I'm going to be honest, I just barely noticed that. So UNC 3s, boom, right here. Retail, pretty steep on these, 190 bucks. First time I passed, copped them on the restock. Next up, we got two, still in the box. These honestly have been sitting for a while, so I'm pretty excited to see how these are. I never saw them in the mall or anything or in store, so I've never seen these in hand. So there's one. You guys can see we got Jordan 1 Nike box right here. And we've got another Jordan Nike box right here. So these are both the same shoes. You guys can see the tag right there. The same shoe. I honestly picked one up for personal, and then the other one I picked up to flip because I honestly think that people are sleeping on these. At least from pictures, because like I said, I haven't seen them in hand, but let's open them up and check them out. You guys are going to get my first impressions. I know this is super late. They've came out a while ago, so. Alright. Damn, okay, interesting. This is the satin Jordan 1. I can't even remember the exact name of these. But it's like satin something because there's the satin mid panel right there. And then you've got the satin toe box. And these have the red laces on them. And honestly, these are clean for the amount I paid for these. We paid $95.70 for these. I honestly think that's a steal. I mean, for a Jordan 1, it has the black leather, and this leather is actually not that bad either. Like, check this out. This is a steal. I honestly might keep them both now because I'm gonna beat the crap out of these. For $95, I honestly think that I would probably cash out on these if I had the money, and I would sit on these because I think these are gonna go up in value. I copped these on, what day was it? let's see, let's pull up the email again. April 9th. I copped these on April 9th, and they're already 120 bucks basically on StockX. Size 9. Like, they're already going up in value. I honestly should have just cashed out. These were just sitting. I think these are a super, super clean Jordan 1. Really, really slept on. It's all black, so you can't even go wrong. It gives you the option of the black laces or the red laces. And honestly, I think the black laces would make these look really, really clean. I know a lot of people have their thoughts on the leather tongue and then the leather patch. Honestly, it's not too bad. These ones, they kind of blend in. But that's a steal. I honestly think this is a huge come up. If you guys pick these up, let me know because I'm really curious. But yeah, we got one pair here and two pairs. So like I said, originally bought one to rock, one to flip, basically pay for the other one. And I honestly have a $60 Jordan 1 in a way if I flip this. Bought for 95 bucks, sell it for 120, 130 maybe locally, and boom, we've got a $60 Jordan 1. That's how you play the system. This is how you collect sneakers, you guys. If you guys aren't doing this, you guys need to jump on this because this is how you get the shoes you want. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from the recent restocks or the Nike factory online store. That was something super different. But yeah, that is it for the pickups. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. Join the notification gang. Leave a thumbs up if you guys want to see more videos like this. This is Jason Tang TV. I'm out, you guys. Peace.